Now exercise 9.3 question number 1, it is given find the area of a triangular region whose base is given and height is given. Now we know the formula that area of a triangular region. The formula is half into base into height. The base is given to us as 9.6 into the height, altitude height that is given as 7.5. So half of 9.6 is 4.8. Now we are having 4.8 into 7.5. When you will multiply, you'll get the answer as 36 centimeter square. Now we'll go towards question number 2. Question number 2 also we are having base as 16.7 decimeter and height is 9.4 decimeter. So again area of a given triangular region. Again we will go ahead towards half into base into height. So that is half into base into height. Now what is half of 9.4? That is 4.7. So we'll multiply 16.7 with 4.7 and we'll get 78.49 decimeters square. Question number 3. In question number 3 also, the side containing the right angle of a triangular region of 14.9 meter and 12.6 meter. So again, area of the triangular region for a right angle triangle is same. That is equals to half into base. The base is given and the height both are given respectively 14.9 into 12.6. Now we know that half of 12.6 is 6.3, that is 14.9 into 6.3. When we'll multiply, we'll get the answer as 93.87 meters square. Next is question number 4. The base of a triangular board is given to us, height is given to us. Now it is asking find the cost of painting the triangular board at rupees 1.70 per square meter. So first we should know what is the area of that triangular board. So area of a triangular board will be again calculated on the basis of half into base into height, that is 22.7 into 18.2. Now what is half of 18.2? That is 9.1. We will multiply 22.7 with 9.1 and the final answer we are getting is 206.57 meters square. Now what is the second part of the question? We need to find the cost of painting. So cost of painting 1 meter square board is already given to us, that is rupees 1.70. So therefore cost of painting 206.57 meter square board will be equals to 206.57 into 1.70. That will give you how much rupees? That will give you 351 rupees and 16 paise. Next, question number 5. What is question number 5? Find the altitude of a triangular region whose area is given to us, base is given to us. So again, put the formula that area of a triangular region that is already given to us, that is 68.6. And we know the formula. What is the formula? The formula is half into base is given to us, that is 24.5 into height. Height is unknown, which we need to find out. Divided by 2 will go that side and it will become into 2. That is double of 68.6. So next is height. Height equals to double of 68.6 is 137.2 divided by 24.5. I already told you when numerator and denominator both are having the same place of decimal, we can remove it and it will become 1372 upon 245. And when you will divide it, you will get the answer height as 5.6 meter. Next is question number 6. Find the area of a triangular region standing on the base. It is given that the area of a triangular base is 8.17 decameter square and the base is given to you as 4.3 decameter. We need to find the height. So first of all, we will write down what is given to us, that is area of a triangular region is already given to us. Area of a triangular region is given to us as 8.17 decameter square. And we know the formula half into base, which is given to us 4.3. Height we need to calculate, that is 8.17. Divided by 2 will go that side and it will become double. So 4.3 into height will be 8.17 into 2. So 4.3 times height. 8.17 into 2 will give you 16.34. So the height will be calculated when you divide 16.34 with 4.3. On dividing it, we will get the answer as 3.8. So the required height is 3.8 decameter. Next, question number 7. The area of again triangular region, right triangular region is given to us. One of the side containing the right angle, you can say it, any one thing that is base is given to us, find the other side. So we need to find out the height. So again, we'll go ahead with this. First, what is given to us, we'll write down area of a right triangular region is already given to us. That is equals to 205.027 meters square. Area of a triangular region is half into base. Suppose one thing base is given to us, that is 24.35 into height is the unknown factor. That is equals to 205.027. Again divided by 2 will go that side, and 24.35 times height will be equals to 205.027 into 2. So 24.35 times height. When we double 205.027, we are getting 410.054. Now we will get the height when we are dividing 410.054 divided by 24.35. On dividing, we are getting the height as 16.84 meter. Next, question number 8, you can see the area of a triangular field is given to you in terms of hectare, 7.4 hectares. So we'll convert it first in meter square. We know that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So we are having 7.4 hectares. So 7.4 hectares will be equals to 7.4 in 10,000 meters square. 1 0 will be consumed for removing the decimal, and it will become 74,000 meters square. Similarly, the base is given to us in hectometer. So 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meter. So 18.5 hectometer will be equals to 18.5 into 100 meter. So 1 0 will consume to remove the decimal, and it will become 1850 meter. Now this is the measurement we are having in all. And again, we will write down what is given to us. Area of a triangular region, which is already given to us, that is equals to 74,000. And we know the formula, area of triangular region is half into base. Base is 1850 into height, which is the unknown factor which we need to find it out. That is equals to 74,000. Now this will go that side, and it will become 74,000 into 2 divided by 1850. 0 0 will get cancelled, and in the table of 185, 40s are, and 42s are 80. 80 how much? 80 meter. So the required height for the given question is 80 meter. Now question number 9. Two triangular regions have equal areas, and their bases are given in the ratio 3:5. So first of all, let us suppose there are two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2. Let base is equals to 3:5. So we can go the first triangle base as 3x, and height is equals to h1. Similarly, the second base for the second triangle will be equals to 5x, and height will be equals to h2. We can go ahead with this process. And according to the question, they are saying area of triangle 1 is equals to area of triangle 2. So area of triangular 1 region will be the same formula, half into base 1 is 3x into height is h1. Similarly, area of triangle 2 region will be same, that is equals to half into base into height h2. Now half will get cancelled. Question is saying you find the ratio of their corresponding heights, means height 1 upon height 2. So into h2 will go that side, it will become divided by h2. And into 3x will go that side, it will become divided by 3x. X will get cancelled, and the ratio of h1 is to h2 is 5:3. So the required ratio of their corresponding height is 5:3. Question number 10 is find the area of a triangle whose sides is given to us. Now we know that this is a scalene triangle in which we need to solve it through the formula of Hero's formula. First, we need to find out the semi-perimeter for the first one. That is sum of all the sides. We need to divide it with 2. So 5 plus 12 plus 13 is 30 divided by 2. Half of 30 is 15. Now we know what is our semi-perimeter, 15. So area of the given triangle will be equals to root over semi-perimeter minus first side, semi-perimeter minus second side, semi-perimeter minus third side. Now we'll go ahead with the process. That is equals to 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 13 is 2. Now we'll break it. That is 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now I'll go for the pairing. 5 and 5 will be in pairing and will come out of the square root. 3 and 3 is again in pairing and will come out of the square root. 2 and 2 is again in pairing and it will come out of the square root. 5 to the 10, 10 3 is a 30 centimeter square. So the area of the first triangle which is given to us is 30 centimeter square.